You see, these people, they always want to separate the Fulanis. She told me that she wants unity between Wodabes and the Kanuris and the Tamashek in Niger. That's good. That's a good idea. But she don't want to hear the Fulanis saying that they are Fulanis. She don't want to hear that name at all. She talking, she playing the Wodabes like they are some tribe, some ethnic group, different ethnic group. But they are not. They claim to be Fulanis themselves. And the other Fulanis know that they are Fulanis. They know they are Fulanis. There are no such thing as a book where you can find that the Wodabes are not the Fulanis. And the Wodabes, by the way, they don't wear this type of clothes all the time. At the normal time, they wear the same clothes at other Fulanis. And they are the ones that has been fighting, that are fighting in the Sahel right now. Most of the people that are fighting in the Sahel are in fact Wodabe. The Wodabes is not a tribe, separate tribe, specific tribe. They are a group of Fulanis. Just like in the Kanuris, you can find different group. There are the so-called Manga Kanuris, and there are some other type of Kanuris. In the Hausas too, you can find different type of Hausas, different groups. When every group has his own specificity, you see, his own way to talk, his own way to practice things. You see, the Wodabes group, they used to come till Guinea, in the Fouta Djallon in Guinea. In the nomadic activity, they used to go as far as Guinea, you see. But now, since the colonial things came, they make borders and this. Now you find them only in the area Niger and Chad. But in the past, they used to go to Mauritania, and in Mauritania, even today, there are some people that are Wodabes, in the story. But they settle after seeing that they cannot continue to practice that in that way. But these people, this is how they cut off and they destroy the identity of a lot of Fulanis groups. When you go in the story, all Niger and more than 80% of Nigeria was in the Sokoto Empire. But now, today, they told you, like in Niger, the Fulanis are a small minority. In Nigeria, the Fulanis are a small minority. You can wonder, where are all these Fulanis goes? Because there was the ruler, so that indicates that there was too much. But where are they now? In fact, they dispersed them, they partake them. Some of them became Hausas, some of them became Kanuris, and others became Tamashek or Tuareg today. You see, and this is how they do every time. This girl, she's blood mixed after her own saying. You see, but she claim like she's a Tuareg because she put that name Walet. In general, this name belongs to the Tuaregs in general. But I think she's from the Kanuris group. But she's blood mixed with the Fulanis. But she don't want to hear about the name Fulanis. She said she working for unity. Okay, that's good. You work for unity between the Fulanis, the Wodabes Fulanis, with the Kanuris, with the Tuareg and so. That's good. But she don't want to hear like a Fulani proud saying why we are proud of our groups. Like she don't want to hear about the unity between the Wodabes and other Fulanis. You see, so she want to divide the Fulanis in to make them integrate other groups. So you want the unity with Wodabes with the non-Fulanis, but you don't want the unity between the Wodabes with her own family Fulanis. That's crazy. This is how they do all the time. So they blood mix with us. Then the people made out of this breeding work to cut off the link between the Fulanis groups with the other Fulanis groups. In the Fulani nation, you have a lot of groups. We have the Ferope, we have the Boros, we have the Wodabe, we have a lot of groups, in fact. And every group have its own specificity, its own way to clothes, its own colors, its own specific dances, and so and so. That does not make them different nation or different tribe. No, that make them different groups. And the Wadabe, just like I said, they are the one, in general, they don't wear this clothes. This clothes, they wear it like when they have fasting day or holidays, something like that. In the normal time, they wear the same clothes with other Fulanis. But the people in Nigeria, this is the trick that they are working to do. You see, they want to they want to take the Wadabes like they are not Fulani and to take them out of their own spirituality. That's why they are making all this noise. So the stranger, when they see the Wadabes, they are wondering where these people belong to, what tribe, what people, huh? Like the people in America sometimes, when they see them, they say, no, this look like just Indian. Where to what tribe this belong? But they don't want to recognize it. They use the Wadabes culture, the Fulani, because it's a Fulani culture. In fact, they use their culture, they use their name, but they don't want to recognize where it comes from. So it is how they are doing in all Africa. In fact, they use our name, they use our culture, they use our identity, they use our features, they use our hairstyle, everything. They take it, but they don't want to recognize us. You see, they take us to show themselves. Why she don't take a Kanuri directly to show the Kanuri? Because nobody knows the Kanuris. Nobody knows. When you live Niger in Nigeria, nobody knows who the hell is Kanuri. Even the Tuareg, there are some known, some people know them, but they don't have this kind of celebrity like that. You see, but they use the Wadabes, they use the Fulanis in general. When they talk with an alien people, they take our pictures, our style, our story, they put it in front of stranger, the people that doesn't know what is going on in Africa. In fact, they put it there, but they don't want us to say it. Because this girl, she started talking with me, because I came in the comment. Since I see in the comment a lot of people asking to what tribe this belong, or what people these people belong, I read there Fulani, only that. But she's not good with that. Even though they are really Fulanis, she say she want to highlight the identity of the people of Niger. So that's good. But the first identity is they are Fulanis. They claim themselves they are, to be Fulanis. They are no such thing as what are they saying that I'm not a Fulani. They have the Fulani language, they have a Fulani culture, they have the Fulani way of life. All they are Fulanis. But she don't want to hear that. She want to take them like they are not like they are some like independent group somewhere and mix them with the Kanuris. You see, to make it confused for people. When the people ask who is these people, she put there, no, they are a group like Kanuris. Like, you see, to confuse the people, to use the image, to put it in front. That's why they are working like now in Nigeria. They are working too much to put them into Christianity, to drop them out of their own spirituality, of own religion. All Wadabes are Muslim. The people that you see doing that, they are Muslim. They are Muslim, but in the ancient practice of Islam that we have, we don't see any problem with that. You see, they are Muslim, even though they practice this new Islam that we call Salafism or Salafist. This is a very new thing in our story. We have a lot of practice that are not in the new way of Islam that come from Saudi Arabia these new days. You see, but I want people to understand that this is how they trick us all the time. This is how you see a lot of Fulani tribe has disappeared in Uganda, in Congo, in Nigeria, in Cameroon. A lot of Fulani tribe has been destroyed like that, just like that, by blood mixing. Then they take control of the identity of the people from the inside. You see, and they refuse to recognize where did they come from. That's why you see a lot of small tribes in Africa that have a tie with the Fulanis, but nobody knows how did it come to be. Why these people look like just Fulanis? They have the same tendencies, the same style, but they claim to be something else. They do not even know where they come from. You see, this is how they do it, by blood mixing and working to cut off the people. This is how they are doing right now with the Wadabes.